Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So without further ado, let's dive into today's word,
一生懸命
which means N. Giving your best effort. Doing something with utmost determination in Japanese. Let's say it all together.
一生懸命
One more time.
一生懸命
Now let's split the word into syllables and then pronounce each syllable one by one. Is, sho, ken, may. Thank you for joining us on this adventure in pronunciation. Remember, language is a journey, not a destination. Keep exploring, experimenting, and expanding your linguistic horizons. We'll see you next time.